Hi everyone, welcome back to the Oh So and So. So I am working hard over here, uncluttering, cleaning out, organizing. Look at this. I am working hard. I got one more cabinet down there that I need to completely clear out, and that is Christmas. Alrighty, so I've got stuff on my table. Look at the bins. Guess where those came from? Upstairs. So here we go. Okay, so I know you're not even going to tell that I've took anything out, but I had pictures here and I thought it was just too much. So I took those pictures down, guys. And believe it or not, I took 4 bins out of this bonus room. 4 bins. There is nothing in the drawers, nothing in the suitcases. That is cleared out. There is nothing in that. And look, nothing. Those are undone. I rearranged just a little bit since I took a few things out. But I'm on a roll. I took that clock down, put the basket up there. I went through these spools. I redid this, which looks a little better. Because you know I love me some deers. Oh dear. Alrighty, so I know you're probably like, well, I don't see anything missing. I know, guys. That's what happens when you have a large amount of smalls. When you get rid of the smalls, I mean, I even took some stuff out of here. You can't tell, but I sure did. There is nothing in those suitcases. I'm going to kind of thin some of this out. My closet, all I got to do is go through the craft bins at the top. And in this small bedroom, that is empty. The bottom of that is empty. Empty. And the only thing that's in this closet, I must be weak this morning. Hold on. Is the fall. And I got to figure out what to do with my hangers. So, the only thing this room needs is a little bit of a cleaning and dusting. I've even cleaned some stuff out of the bottom of that. I've worked on every suitcase, every drawer. I even tried to work on this area, which I had to look at it on camera. It was looking a little cluttered. So I want to kind of work on that a little bit. I had gone through all of my clocks. I have that shelf I need to work on. And I even went through a bunch of those little baskets, the little sewing baskets. I took out about 9 of them. So, even in the bathroom, I know there's not a lot in this bathroom, but the next things I want to do is I want to take those baskets off the wall and get rid of those towels. We don't use them. They're just for looks. And look, we haven't touched those in 2 years. Guess where they're going? Someone else's house. Now, this hall bathroom, I'm going to take those and put them behind the toilet in the other bathroom and put just a picture. Alrighty. So, I even took some things out of this room. There is nothing in the drawer. Nothing in that drawer. That's cleaned out. I've even worked on that cabinet. But the major thing next is that closet. Now, what's in that closet? I'm going to try to open it. Hopefully nothing will fall out. So hold on just a second. Christmas. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. Guys, how much Christmas do you have? I'm going to get all that back out since I did get it into one closet. But I am going to go through this closet. And I'm hoping to at least get it, well, I don't know, like a third of it. Alrighty. Well, now we're on our way. I even need to kind of work on the laundry room. Just kind of go through the little crates. Maybe work on some stuff. Take out some stuff in that little basket. I do like the little irons. But one more thing sitting out is no. So, this is my table. All of this stuff, especially if you see a price tag, goes to the booth. And I've already took a bunch of stuff out to the trailer and truck. That I need to go through. Alrighty, guys. Daylight is burning and I've got to get busy. So I hope you've had an awesome day. I hope you're in kind of the cleaning out mood. I know I am. I am tearing it up over here. I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you again. Bye.